Good evening everyone. Today we are going to discuss the PFA specification of raw materials in baking and confectionery technology. PFA stands for the Prevention of Food Adulteration Act, that is in 1954, which laid the foundation for food quality standards in India before the implementation of FSSAI regulation. In bakery industries, raw material must be of specific limit. So first we have to see about the moisture, ash, fat content, permissible additives, contamination level. These standards ensure safety, quality and consistency in the finished products. So before moving into the specification, let us recall basic ingredients, that is egg, water, salt and coloring agents. Each ingredient has a functional role, as safety requirements, a quality standard. Similarly, flour, sugar, fat, yeast, milk powder, emulsifiers, leaveners, antioxidants and improvers must meet regulatory limits. Now let us understand why this matters. Bakers often say, my flour does not meet ash limits, my sugar has high moisture and causes lumping, my fats became rancid quickly. So consumer worry about adulteration, health risk and unsafe additives. Supply struggles with maintaining consistent quality, meeting regulatory limits, and small scale bakers especially feel anxious about compliance complexity. Regulatory non-compliance can lead to product rejection, financial loss, damage to brand reputation. So understanding this anxiety is crucial. How can we ensure purity and maintain limits such as moisture below specified level, ash content within the standard limits, freedom from adulteration? So because excess ash in flour affects the gluten quality, higher moisture in sugar causes microbial growth. And the second problem is, how can we prevent rancidity and adulteration? While meeting fat and moisture specification, we must maintain functional properties like gluten formation, yeast fermentation, dough strength, and under strict regulatory limits. So now let us look at into an innovative opportunity. So first opportunity is additives. How can we use emulsifiers, leaveners and improvers with permissible limit to enhance the dough performance? And second opportunity is that how can we use natural or synthetic antioxidant safely to extend the shelf life? So my point of view statement is that a bakery operator needs reliable, compliant raw material because adulteration risks compromise safety and business sustainability. This highlights the balance between innovation and regulation. Our goal is zero adulteration, compliance with moisture, ash and fat specification, improve shelf life and consistent product quality. And the constraints include maximum perishable additive limits, cost of certified materials, testing requirements, supply reliability, and every ingredient must perform its function while meeting the regulatory standards. So now let us brainstorm a practical solution. Some ideas include partnering with suppliers who provide certification of analysis, using natural antioxidants like tocopherols within the limits, testing blended flours for moisture and ash compliances, implementing digital tracking system for raw materials. The goal is to balance the functionality and the regulatory compliances. In the stage, we test solutions. For example, procure flour sample and test moisture and ash, check fat sample for peroxide value, formulation of dough using compliant emulsifier, add permitted antioxidant to fat-rich products. Small scale trials help verify compliance before large production. Now, we shall evaluate the results. So, testing method includes moisture analysis, ash content determination, peroxide value test for fat, sensory evaluation and supplier feedback. So, you shall ask these questions like, does the material need regulatory limits? Does it improve the product quality? If not compliant, adjust the sourcing or formulation. This iterative approach ensures the regulatory alignment. So let's summarize. To summarize, PFA specification ensures purity of raw material, safety of finished products, standardization in bakery industries. Flour, sugar, fat, milk powder, emulsifier, leavener, antioxidant and improvers must meet the defined limits. Compliance protects consumer health, brand reputation, business sustainability. Regulation and innovation must work together. So here is the curiosity challenge where you can try in your classrooms. And here is another one for you. So these are my references. You can go through this for further details and have a happy baking. So thank you everyone. Today we learned that the regulatory compliance is not a restriction, it is a foundation for a scale and high quality bakery production. Understanding the PFA specification help us become responsible food technologists and innovative bakers. Thank you for watching.